Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ancaster local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a cheap Ancaster moving company doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality. 3 Movers offers very affordable rates with excellent service you can trust. We specialize in local and long-distance moving options you can use for a variety of moving types. Whether you're moving a business, a household, or a few heavy items, we can help. Finding the right long-distance movers will make a difference. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, and upfront pricing. We understand the stress of relocating. It doesn't matter if you need to move 100 miles or 3,000 miles, we can make it easier. Our long-distance movers know how to take the stress out of any relocation. Even a local move is a ton of work. Without a good Canada moving company, you might struggle to get all the work done. The packing, lifting, loading, unloading, and unpacking can take a toll. 3 Movers can take over everything and make your local move simple. We can do the packing and the unpacking or just handle the heavy lifting. If moving might take you a week to do, we can help make it happen in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ancaster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.